In this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 ways on how to make money with ClickFunnels. That's 5 ways on how to make money with ClickFunnels. And if you like this video, would love to hear what you think in the comments section below. Make sure that you smash the like button and the subscribe button. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to be telling you what the biggest opportunity is at this point in time to make money with ClickFunnels. So the first way is by selling your own products or services. So you can actually set up a site and you can create a products inventory with your own website, or even work with platforms such as Amazon FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon. So what you would do is have ClickFunnels create landing pages. There are ClickFunnels templates that you can find on the ClickFunnels store, in the ClickFunnels marketplace, and you would set up your own inventory. You can even integrate with certain platforms such as Shopify, and then you can set up your own store, start selling products online. You would need to get some sort of traffic going, traffic generation, such as Facebook ads or something like that. The second way is to use ClickFunnels in drop shipping. So there are certain sites such as AliExpress where you can certainly buy products very cheaply from China and have them shipped. You can even have them shipped from the US. And if you were to buy products for $1 or $2, you could certainly sell them on Facebook using Facebook ads for even up to $5 or $7. And then you could set up upsells and downsells. And I know that there are templates on the ClickFunnels marketplace that you can use with drop shipping. So that's the second way, drop shipping with ClickFunnels. The third way is to use ClickFunnels, the ClickFunnels affiliate program. So you actually make that should be 40% recurring commission for each individual that you refer via ClickFunnels through your affiliate link. And so that would mean the more people that you referred into the ClickFunnels program, the more recurring commission that you would get every month, assuming that those people don't drop off. So $40 after you accumulate a number of individuals each and every month. If you got 100 individuals paying $40 a month, that would be $4,000 a month. And you got 200 individuals, that would be $8,000 a month. That's certainly a full-time income. So so basically ClickFunnels has this affiliate program where you can refer people, and the sale that is made from each person is attributed to your affiliate link and your affiliate account. So you get paid the 40% commission. And then there are a whole stack of other products within the ClickFunnels range, such as books, such as courses. There are some products that cost even up to, I think, for the last time I checked, about $2,000. So 40% of that would be $900 or so on a 40% commission rate. The fourth way you could make money from ClickFunnels is by becoming a certified partner. So what that would involve is that you undertake a course that is set up by ClickFunnels, and that course goes for a number of months, and you have to complete certain study units, and then you get certification at the end of it. And what that certification allows you to do is that it allows you to charge, well, it can be up to $5,000 per client. Initially, you may start with less than that, but $5,000 per client. So if you were to have 2 or 3 clients paying $5,000 each, that is certainly a large amount of money. So that's making money as a ClickFunnels certified partner. Now, as I said, the best, as I promised at the start of the video, promised you that to show you the best way to make money with ClickFunnels is by creating sales funnels for other local businesses. So you create sales funnels for other local businesses. So if you were to approach a local business and educate them on sales funnels, because a lot of local businesses don't know anything about sales funnels, and you can earn money by creating these funnels for local business. And in addition to that, you earn a recurring commission from the sale of the ClickFunnels account that you acquire for the company. So not only do you get this recurring commission, as I said before, it's $40 per month for a $97 per month for a $97 per month membership, but you also get the money that you get for creating the sales funnel for any local business. So that could be a whole range of different local businesses, such as doctors or lawyers or accountants, any service-based business, even dentists or plastic surgeons, particularly those sorts of local businesses that are often not aware of this kind of service that's actually going to increase the leads and the business for their business. So there you have it. There are 5 ways on how to make money with ClickFunnels: selling your products or services, drop shipping with ClickFunnels, the ClickFunnels affiliate program, making money as a ClickFunnels certified partner, or creating sales funnels for local businesses. Would love to hear what you think about that video. Smash the like button, the subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next video.